Hi students, today in our class we are going to study about the levels of teaching. Let's start our class. The first level of teaching is memory level of teaching, MLT. Herbert is the main proponent of memory level of teaching. It is the initial or first stage of teaching. It induces the habit of memorization of facts and bits of information. The teaching learning process is basically stimulus response here. It enables a learner to retain and also to reproduce the learned material whenever required. The evaluation system here is mainly include oral, written, and essay type examinations. Good memory includes rapidity in learning, stability of retention, rapidity in recalling, and the ability to bring only desirable contents to conscious level. The next level of teaching is ULT or understanding level of teaching. Morrison is the main proponent of the understanding level of teaching. It is the memory plus insight as it goes beyond just memorizing of facts. It focuses on mastery of subjects. Mastery of subject. It makes students to understand the generalization principles and facts. It provides more and more opportunities for the students to develop the intellectual behavior, and it provides active role for both the student and the teacher for the assimilation of facts. Here the evaluation system mainly includes both essay and objective type of questions. So this is all about understanding level of teaching. The next is reflective level of teaching. Here the main proponent is Hunt, and it is the highest level of teaching and includes both understanding level of teaching and memory level of teaching. It is the problem centric approach of teaching. Where the students are assumed to adopt some sort of research approach to solve the problem. Classroom environment, the important point here is classroom environment is to be sufficiently open and independent in reflective level of teaching. The learners are motivated and active. The aim is to develop the reflective power of learners so that they can solve problems of their lives by reasoning, logic, and imagination, and lead a successful and happy life. Here the students occupies the primary place and the teacher occupies secondary place. And here the evaluation system is essay type test is used for evaluation here, and like attitude, beliefs, and involvement are also evaluated here in reflective level of teaching. So this is all about the levels of teaching. I have some questions that help you to understand. Which of the following order are the three levels of teaching? The options are MLT, memory level of teaching, understanding level of teaching, reflective level of teaching, and pedagogical level of teaching. And the correct order is memory level of teaching, understanding level of teaching, and reflective level of teaching. The next question is at which of the following teaching levels classroom environment is required to be sufficiently open and independent? And the answer is reflective level of teaching. The next question is which of the following is the sequence of different levels of teaching? Of course, the answer is memory level of teaching, understanding level of teaching, and reflective level of teaching. And sometimes they ask the proponents of these three levels of teaching, like MLT. The proponent here is Herbert. Understanding level of teaching, the main proponent is Morrison, and Hunt is the proponent of reflective level of teaching. So these are the examples of questions that asked in exam. Hope you understand. Thanks for listening.